Morning, YouTube. It's man BJ. Tired as a mug, and I've been hearing about this little one guy, one screwdriver list. Now, I've seen one girl, one cup. That didn't really faze me. Like, come on now. That did not faze me at all, dog. Cause come on. You taking a shit in a cup, and you throwing up in it. Clearly trick moves. This is chocolate ice cream, like caramel ice cream, and some kind of sauce. But it's clearly fake. I don't fuck with that. And then she was like, that's bullshit. You know you gotta, the little tube right next to her mouth to be like, come on, that's fake. I could do that. I wouldn't, but I could. Now I'm about to watch this little one guy, one cup, or one screwdriver. It's ridiculous.
You are demons. I think the only thing you'll taste today is your own blood.
Oh, shit! Shit! Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? Where do they find these niggas at, man? Why the fuck? Like, you must not want your dick. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, niggas is gay over this shit. Don't touch the mic with the blood. That is annoying. Hold on. That look a little fake. Look a little fake. It's ketchup. It's ketchup. Oh, that's fake. What the? Oh. Damn, never mind. You got sperm flying in the toilet and shit? That is fucking disgusting. That is disgusting. Alright, look. Alright, look. You almost got me. Until I seen the blood on the floor and shit. That would